Welcome back into the workshop for a wee bit of a diary update, and can I say, darn it, I have just made the previous video and I waffled on a little bit about what I was up to, and one of the things was I wanted to thread this shaft material, might be part of the problem, with a 8mm thread. 8mm on an 8mm with an 8mm M8 thread. One would think that would be easy. Maybe not. What I probably need is a machinist to do it for me, or a set of dies that you can start off with a loose fit, a split die in other words, to allow me to sneak up on the thread, I'll reword that. Well, yeah, that's true, to sneak up on the thread to make it either a tight or a loose fit. It also means that this is probably just a marginally oversized for my threading attempts using this particular die. So it is a wee bit of a nuisance. Also a wee bit of a nuisance. I just dropped the darn thing, so where is it? Ah, there it is. Okay, so I'm just bending down awkwardly. I've got a couple of threads on it, and I was very, very hopeful. And then it all went south. The pin couldn't be held tight enough in the chuck, and of course you can't thread, because that's what I was using to hold it, and I definitely don't want to put it in a vise and really beggar things up. So I thought, oh, well, surely I can get the lathe chuck to hold it, because after all I can gronk down on the key a little bit, really give it what for. But nah, even my not insignificant sized chuck, not compared to what I would normally use, it's not insignificant, but it couldn't hold sufficiently well enough for me to thread the pin. The worst thing about it, I'm just threading it on now, off camera. The worst thing is, it works really well. And I would like to have a little bit more thread, a little bit more thread in the standoff. Could I put up with that? Yeah, probably. But the beauty is that I can locate my plate, bring let's just see whether I can, there we go. Like that, and it's got very, very nice tolerances. Now the tolerances then start to play for and against me when we'll soon find out whether the tolerances of the holes I've drilled are as good as the tolerances in the steel plate. Therein lies part of the problem. But that would have been a very nice, a very nice outcome to have these 20 to 8mm stepped pins for my efforts. But you can guess that it's not going to stop me. I'm going to see either whether I can get a split die for the stainless steel, which is part of the problem. But if I can't, I'll then take these pins down to an engineer to see whether they can turn something up for me. Either turn it up or actually use the pins. They don't have to be stainless. They just have to be of the tolerance that I need here to match up with the the guides. So it could be mild steel. It's not the issue for me. But trying to find they'll be out there. I just have to locate it. But finding a source of someone to supply the pins at exactly 8mm is a wee bit of an ask. So I'm going to give these pins a bit of a try and see whether the hardness of this pin is a little bit lesser. But yeah, they're supposed to be both 304 stainless, so I could well imagine that I'll get the same result, which is it won't be able to be held well enough. Yeah, well, that's a bit of a bummer. I had actually thought about sticking the pin in the drill press and just running a file over it, just to get that little fraction of a millimeter, just a few microns reduced. But I think, well, I can give it a go. We'll see. But yeah, I'm going to whack the end of the this off because it doesn't need to be there. It's good that it is, but it doesn't need to be there. Put it in the drill press and see whether I can thread it. If not, well, I'm back to square one again. What a nuisance, because just that early on experience in there, yeah, it was pleasing. The problem with these is that it's just heat shrink, electrical insulation, and it keeps on coming off, or just grabbing or something way I don't want it to. That steel to steel would be much better. Rightio, well, I'll just peter on and see whether I can make any impression on this, and if not, another cup of tea. Rightio, that's it, just a short one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.